Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. This is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. I want to say, hey, what's up to all my existing subscribers and all my new subscribers. All right. And this video, basically, I've been doing some research, some investigation. Okay. And I actually found out something about that elusive tablet that QLink's supposed to be sending out. You know what I'm saying? And it's a trip. First of all, it's called Spectre 8. Okay. And anybody that ever was with Assurance Wireless, and that when I was with Assurance Wireless, they gave us these phones, and these phones were some of the cheapest low-level phones I've ever seen, and they were a no-name brand. And if you tried to look up the specs on them, it was really, really difficult. These tablets are called Spectre 8, the ones that QLink is putting out, giving everybody, supposedly. It's called Spectre 8. And these tablets at the most will run for about $50. Okay. Now, if you went to Walmart, you can get a $50 tablet that is 2 times better, that has more RAM and more memory than the one that they're supposedly sending you for free. And I think they're trying to bribe people and saying, well, if you pick us as your emergency broadband benefits client, we'll send you this free tablet. Now, here's the weird part about the free tablet. I did get some pictures of it, and I'm going to try to upload those pictures for you. And in the links below this video, okay, I found some really good people that did an unboxing of the tablet, so you can actually see, what they're trying to offer you. Okay, now the tablets, I think the tablet has like 1 gig of RAM. If you don't know what that means, that's not very good. Okay, and they have something called I think it's called Google Go, which is like a real thin version of Google Android that you put on equipment that don't have a lot of power. Okay, as well as, now here's the flip side. If you don't have a tablet, okay, having a tablet beats not having any tablet at all. And I get that. I've been there. I may be there again, you know what I'm saying? I get that. But one thing is, anytime someone's trying to offer you a phone or a tablet and they don't tell you what type it is, you already know it's gonna be the standard of the standard that they can even give you. Okay, I mean, just the just the smallest amount of everything that you need that they can give you, whether it's a phone or a tablet or even a computer, then that's what they're going to give you. If they cannot tell you or do not list the brand, that's a dead giveaway. Okay, because I give you an example. Boost Mobile, if you decide that you want them to be your broadband provider, Boost Mobile have a deal right now. They'll tell you they're going to give you a Samsung S, I believe it's S21. I think they said, and that is top notch. Okay, because they know that you're going to have to use your phone as your modem. Now, one thing you also want to take in mind that when you get this tablet, it doesn't give you instructions on how to use it. It just basically gives you the basic on how to turn it on. Okay, and a lot of people say it doesn't come with a SIM or anything like that. One of the main reasons for that is that I believe that they want you to use your phone as a hotspot. And if you don't know what that means that most Android and Apple phones have a capability to kind of act like the modem. Okay, and you'll go to settings, and then you go to Wi-Fi on an Android phone, and you'll see it right there under Wi-Fi. You'll see it say Wi-Fi, you'll see it say hotspot, and a couple other things. That's what you click on that, and then you can easily just turn on your hotspot and then use your phone as a modem. Okay, now anytime most phones, when you're using a hotspot, you're going to turn off other services. It's not going to do it all. Okay, you're going to turn off other services until you're done using it as a hotspot. And that's the only thing I could see that they expect you to do with that tablet, because most of the people saying that they don't give you a SIM card or nothing with it. Okay, you're just kind of have to figure it out yourself. Like they expect you to just automatically be techies or something. It's and also keep in mind that the feds did raid QLink, and the investigation is still going on. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, some people ask me, am I still using QLink? Yeah, I'm still using QLink, and the broadband, the data that allows you to watch YouTube and other, Facebook, whatever. It's been strong. Okay, still in the back of my mind, I'm leery, because when the United States government busts you or raids you, there's something going on. Okay, so am I gonna switch to another one? I don't know. I may. Okay, because that's still, even though my phone calls are going through, okay, my data, being able to watch YouTube, whatever, that's going fine. Still in the back of my mind, dang, they got raided for real. So I actually did find information about that tablet, and as I stated, I found 2 people that did an unboxing, and they were very thorough. And I put those links, I'm going to put those links in the description box underneath this particular video. And if you don't know how to get to the description box, because you hear a lot of people say, look at the description box. And when you're looking at the video, if you go all the way, I think it's to the right, you'll see this little arrow. If you touch on that arrow, it widens everything out up, so you can see the name, what the video is about. You can see all the links they have on that. That's what they mean by description box. Okay, and that's done with all videos on YouTube. They have a description box. Some people put stuff there, some people don't. Okay, but basically, yeah, that the tablet is a cheap tablet, very little power. Nevertheless, from my reviews of it, that I've seen other people using it, they said that you can do some of the basic stuff with it. I've had a phone that had 1 gigabyte of RAM before, and I can tell you this much: when I tried to open up too many applications at one time, it literally shut itself down and rebooted. I'm not saying that tablet is going to do that, but just if you have maybe only 1 or 2 apps open at a time, you're probably going to be okay. Okay, and I'm gonna try to locate and get the specs on it for those who are tech savvy, so you can understand what's built into that tablet. Okay, but I have listened to you, and I have listened to your concerns, and yes, I did some investigation. I found some unboxings of it, and it was not easy. I guess that and that they just there's not a lot of people that actually got the tablet, and they also said that a lot of people that did the reviews said that they were given the tablet, but no notification, no email, nothing. They just it was happening to be at their doorstep one day, boom, or knock on the door and got a tablet for you. So, but I did find the tablet. I will definitely give you as much information about it in this video, as well as give you those links to the unboxing in the description box below. And I ask you to subscribe. I ask you to give me your comments. Be respectful, and give me your comments of what you think about that. Okay, but it looks like that. Oh, and of course, please share this so people can understand what they're trying to offer them. Okay, because they really want people to sign up with them so that they can be the people's broadband provider. And I always tell people, if you can, go with an internet company first, especially if you're low income. Because if your stuff is not working out, part of the deal is they're going to come out and fix it for free. Okay? Especially if you're not tech savvy. So the power's in your hands now. Okay? With this EBB, Emergency Broadband Benefits. It's not hard to sign up for it. I already made a video on that. But don't let them use you. Okay, get the best deal for you. And if you want to use your phone is a modem, okay? Boost Mobile got a good deal going on. Also, AT&T. I just recently found out AT&T got a deal where they give you 100 gigabytes of data a month for $5 if you sign up with them with the EBB, Emergency Broadband Benefits. Okay, and this is a smart thing. This is when I'm saying look for what's best for you. AT&T will give you a hotspot device. This device throws Wi-Fi all over the house. Okay, so that you don't have to use your phone. There's devices that do that. That's what I'm saying. Get the best for you. I'm not trying to put down QLink as a government phone. Bad. I'm not trying to say they're bad as a government phone. But when it comes to broadband, go with an established. If you want a phone, go with an established person. Verizon, AT&T. Okay. Boost Mobile. Okay, they're giving great deals, and they're giving you great free equipment with those deals. Okay, I checked them out. And I'm sure there's tons of others out there too. Some local internet places around you probably got some great deals going on. But the power is now in your hands, okay? Not theirs. And they really want you to sign up, because they know if they sign up, they got to guarantee at least $50 a month from the government, where you only have to pay $5. But that's, you become a cash cow. Basically, what that means in a nice, positive way is that you become a stable source of money for that company. Okay? So if you're going to be a stable source of money for that company, make sure that company gives you everything you need. You and your family. All right? Because, hey, you may decide to take a class online, okay? Socialize. You use Zoom to talk to people you haven't talked to across the country, across the United States, or even in other countries. So you want a device that's powerful enough to do that. Okay. All right. I didn't mean to go on this long, but that is my video about the QLink tablet, the elusive QLink tablet. And I hope that helps you out. Peace.